Yeah, there's Low Dog. Lola the dog. Anyways, I've got this bag of rice that has been in the fridge for way too long. And it's going to make a good treat for the chickens. So I'm going to come over here by my orchard area. I'm going to call the chickens and start dumping this rice out for them. Got a couple of chickens already know what's going on. Here, chickens! Drop the rice on the ground. Come on, chicks! Trying to break it up and spread it out as I go. Oh, here comes Sadie. Big rooster. Couple of chickens coming from the other way. And there's a couple of hens laying eggs right now, so they're not getting up and coming out here. But chickens and ducks, they're getting a treat. A little bit of old rice. Sadie's getting in there and taking some of it.